This story is about a rich man seeks a daughter-in-law. Once there was a rich man, he sought a daughter-in-law. He wanted his son to marry a clever girl. He wanted this girl to help his son with his help and wealth. He called his son, do you have a girl in mind? The son said, no, father, I don't have a girl in mind. I was busy working. The father said, son, I can help you find a girl. The son said, how, father? The father said, ask them a simple question, and if they answer correctly, bring them to me. He said, what's the question, father? The father said, if you have a big fish, what are you going to do with it to feed your family as long as possible? The son said, I don't know, father. Can you tell me the answer? The father said, he whispered the answer in his ear. The son said, okay, father, I'll go to the village and ask the girls. He walked and he went to the village and he asked the girls the question. When he asked them the question, sadly no one answered. He was sad. He wanted to go home and to tell his father the sad. Then he went and he saw a nearby village. When he saw a nearby village, he went to that village and saw a girl walking by. He called the girl, can I ask you a question? The girl said, she nodded her head and he asked the question, if you have a big fish, what are you going to do with it to feed your family as long as possible? The girl said, she replied confidently, if I have a big fish, I would feed it to my family, I would feed it to my neighbors, and they will give me back when they have something. The son was happy and took her arm and said, can you meet my father? The girl said, yes. They walked by and they went to the father. The father said, why did you answer that question? She said, the girl said, if I have a big fish, I will feed it to my neighbors, and if they have something back, they will give it to me. Then the father was he sighed, he said he was so excited and he said, can you marry my son? The girl said, okay, and they went to the ceremony place and they got married and they lived happily ever after.